morning. I guess this will be day 4 of the big cold spell we've been having. Everything's been doing very good here on the farm. All the animals have been taken care of, the ones that need taken care of. These nice South Pole cattle, they take care of themselves almost. All I have to do is make sure they have something. Other than that, they're pretty hardy and they don't need much upkeep. Like I said, a little windbreak in cold weather, good forage, good fresh water, and they are good to go. Nice and sunny this morning. I think we're going to get a little bit of a warm up. I think it got, I don't know, about 17 degrees this morning, something like that. But we have a little warm up coming along the way. All this nice white moisture, hopefully some of it will melt down slowly and seep into the ground. And whereas we need moisture, definitely, just like most other folks. Like I said, we probably use a little bit more than what it is, but not all at one time. We didn't have much back during the fall or early winter, but we had a good summer, kind of kept us going. But now, hopefully, with that word spring, it'll be coming soon, and we'll need more moisture to make sure we have all this good green grass popping up. There's the girls there. They'll be ready to get them another big round bale here in a few minutes. They'll be at the gate waiting. Here we are talking about the docility of these animals. I mean, they're just unbelievable. The body condition that they've stayed in into this cold front. The friendliness of them, like I say, they're just all wonderful animals. Can't say anything more about them. So, yeah, they love to see me show up with a new round bale in the morning.